What is going on, guys? Parallaxox here, and today I'm going to show you how to make chat commands for your game. So first, you're going to want to insert a script into server scripts service. You can get rid of the print hello world. First, you want to define the player service, which is game:get service players. Next, we want to create a function. I'm going to call it onPlayerChatted, and then variables player and message. So first, we're going to make the message case insensitive, which basically means that no matter how they capitalize it, it'll still take the command. And then I'm just going to make a hello command, but you can make any command and make it do anything. So if message equals !hello, then I'm just going to have it print hello player dot name. Then I'm going to say welcome to the game. Of course, you can make this do anything for any sort of command. You can even check to make sure that they have correct permissions to run the command. So next we got to actually connect with the service to make sure that all the messages are logged. So we do player dot player added connect and function player, and then player dot chatted connect function message. Then you want to run your onPlayerChatted function, and then pass the player and message to it. So as you can see, whenever I type in hello with the exclamation point, in the console right there says hello Parallax_X, welcome to the game, as that is my username. You can expand this to any amount of commands, ones that need permissions, don't need permissions. You can make them do about anything. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.